Good morning from Grand Pine Farm. It's September 17th, 2025, and it's just after 9 a.m. Down here to feed these animals. Already fed Harold, so he's got his food. Fed those chickens. I'm gonna feed these guys here. It is 63 degrees. Sky's blue, sun's out, just the way I like it. I have to run downtown, some things to do. So I better get on it. Before I go, I have to get the water going. It's almost the end of the season to water. So we get this nice and healthy and green before winter sets in. Now that I get the sprinkler going, I can move on to getting ready to go downtown. So hopefully the weather holds today. Got a lot of stuff to do out here. Going downtown was not one of my plans, but that's something I have to do.